Walking versus trendy exercises. New Year's choice. Walking wins, your New Year fitness secret. Hello, fitness fans! Are you feeling overwhelmed by trendy exercises and wondering if there's a simpler, more effective way to kickstart your fitness journey in the new year? Let's talk about the unsung hero of workouts, walking. Here's why it's your winning ticket to fitness success. Experts and studies reveal that walking isn't just a stroll in the park. It's a powerhouse exercise. It's like the MVP in a team full of rookies, always delivering. But here's the kicker. Walking not only strengthens your body, but also reduces stress and boosts overall well-being. It's like a soothing massage for your mind and muscles. Walking beats trendy workouts? That's like choosing a cozy night in over a chaotic party. Peaceful and fulfilling. So, skip the trends and step into the new year with the time-tested exercise of walking. It's a simple, effective, and enjoyable way to level up your fitness game. Walking wins the new year.